Picking up chicken is really a ball when you're picking up the chicken that's caught it all.
Heads up!
Pass around McDonald's chicken McNuggets. Let the fun begin. Dunking and dipping that light in the chicken. The number one nugget, lay it up and in. Fast breaking, pick up a chunk. Catch a Coca-Cola, then slam dunk. It's a good time for the great day.
Careful when you nibble that you don't double dribble.
A McDonald's.